We are here in the most beautiful, but also one of the most expensive towns in all of Spain. And in this video, we are about to show you guys what we can do here in one day and how much it's going to cost. So let's get to it.
Country in the northern part of Spain in a town called San Sebastian, and so far we are absolutely blown away by these views.
So our first stop is Mount Igueldo. It has an incredible view of the ocean and the bay here in Donosti, and you can see the entire town. So along with this viewpoint, you also have a small theme park that is here, which have a bunch of little games for kids to play. So there's also a hotel that you can stay at here as well, but it costs a whopping 150 euros per night. That's just crazy. That's out of our budget. But if that is something that is in your budget, this looks like it would be a great place to stay, especially with your kids. So the next spot we are headed is called El Peine del Viento, which in English means the comb of the wind. And we are so excited to get there as it is one of the prominent and famous structures here in Donosti.
So this is one of the main tourist attractions in San Sebastian, and it's super cool. You not only get to walk along the beautiful ocean, but once you get to the main attraction, there's these little holes in the ground where when a big wave comes through, it pushes the air up through and you get to have your hair blown or your mouth blown open. It's really, really fun. Also, the artist who made these sculptures made them as a sign to reconnect people with nature, which is just a truly beautiful message.
This is a great place to come. It's a small tourist attraction and it's very easy to get to and very accessible for anybody. And it is also free, which is amazing because a lot of things here aren't free and a lot of things are expensive here. So this is a great place to come if you're not looking to spend as much money here in Donosti. So if you guys are getting hungry while here, you can stop at a place called Nyam. They have a bunch of pinchos and things to drink as well for a pretty good price. For the three of us today, it was 15 euros. So great price if you're feeling hungry. So you guys, now that we have wrapped up at the comb of the wind, we are gonna head to the old town. We are hungry and we're gonna explore around there, find some places to eat. So we'll be there in a few minutes. So we'll see you guys there. Here we are, guys. Welcome to the heart of San Sebastian. We are in the old town and we are about to go inside one of the Catholic churches here. The architecture is just so incredible and so beautiful. So we are so excited to check this out. To witness a gathering in there, which we were not expecting at all, so that was an incredible experience. The inside is just as beautiful as the outside, so we definitely recommend coming here. Now that we are done at this cathedral, we are now gonna get some more food because we are also hungry. We're gonna do a style of eating called pincho pote. You go to a restaurant, you grab a pincho, and then you grab something to drink, you eat that, drink that, and then you move on to the next one and you do it all over again, and you do it as many times as you want until you're either full, or sometimes even people just drink so much beer that they just get too drunk and they go home or pass out. So our first stop for the pincho pote is Gatarias, and we have our food here. It looks so delicious, and we also have right here
some Basque wine.
Yes. I'm not a huge wine drinker, but when we're here, we gotta try it. It's actually really good.
This one is cod with a pimiento and a bit of caramelized onion on top. It's so good. The fish always tastes so fresh. Some of my favorite right here.
Diving on in here, looks so good. Got a little shrimp on the top. Not sure what's mixed in here, but we'll find out. That is excellent. Like a seafood salad mixed in here with the bread with that shrimp on top. Absolutely amazing. All right, guys, that was an excellent start. So let's head to the next restaurant. Here at our next restaurant, and this one is called Hemerichi, and they have even more options in the last place. We're so excited to try all this out, so let's just dive on in. So this one has an egg on the top, and it also has some morcilla and a red pepper along with some onions as well. Wow.
So this first one is chorizo and pimiento. Okay, this is so good. The chorizo with the pimiento tastes so fresh. It's the perfect combination. 2 out of 3 done. We're headed to number 3.
Alright you guys, our last stop here for the Pincho Pote is Chaco Nina. We got so many delicious things here and we cannot wait to try them. We're a little sad though, this is our last stop. Let's dive in.
So this pincho has brie, ham, a raisin, walnut, and some balsamic vinaigrette. This has such amazing flavor. There's actually some raspberry sauce on top, which really surprised me and made the whole dish just something a little bit extra.
We're just gonna dive into this croqueta, and it has squid and squid ink on the inside, which I have never tried before, you guys. This is really exciting. Oh yeah. Tastes absolutely incredible, but it does not look very good on the inside. I'll tell you that much, but it's very good. Last pincho that I am trying today has raisin, it has duck liver, it has brie cheese and strawberry jam, I believe, on it, with a little bit of sesame seeds. So it looks really good, so let's try it out. The jam and the cheese really take over the flavor. I can't really taste the liver, but it's very good.
So we wrapped up with the pinchos, now we are headed to the plaza for some coffee.
So this is actually going to be a really short stop here at the plaza because it is kind of chilly. It's all in the shade right now, but it used to be an old hotel and now it's been transformed into a place where people will hang out. They have a few restaurants where you can get coffee or things to eat. Yeah, so we definitely recommend making a stop here. So now that we are done eating in the old town, we are going to head to the park because Arlo has been such a good baby today. He deserves to play in the park for a little bit, and we saw one on the way and it looks absolutely spectacular. Guys, that is going to wrap up our time here in San Sebastian, or also known as Donosti. There are so many great things to see here. We weren't able to see them all as we are only here for several hours, but you can definitely find some other things online if you want to stay here longer. I think we did find out that this is a very expensive place to be when it comes to food and then also the cost of living. So do keep that in mind if you want to visit. Prepare your wallet because you will be spending a lot of money, especially as tourists.
As always, thank you for watching. It means the absolute world to us. If you could, leave a like, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next video and hurt Arlo's feelings.
Alright, see you guys in the next one.